This is still one of my favorite cakes in the Metro. I will always vouch for this cake. Pagdating sa creme brulee cake, sila yung top pick ko. Yes, it has always been Maron Bakery's creme brulee cake. I tried their avocado na and strawberry. This time, bestie, excited ako dito. This is their durian creme brulee cake. Oo, as in durian creme brulee cake. Ito personally, I like durian. Of course, not my most favorite fruit in the world. Pero let me just say, if you're not a fan of durian, baka dito sa durian creme brulee cake ni Maron Bakery, fan na kayo. May even si RC na hindi ko makain ng durian na gustuhan niya. And let me tell you na agad. Same goes parate when I order from Maron's. Cake, fluffy and light. Sweetness level, hindi siya ganun katamis. Even with the creme brulee on top, balance pa din siya. And for the actual durian, captured niya yung tartness, sweetness, and yung pagka-velvety smooth ng durian. Syempre, I have to say pa rin na hindi siya durian without the smell. But the smell, honestly, at least for me, bestie, not bad. I mean, you can still tell na durian yung kinakain mo. But the actual cake as a whole, smell didn't bother me as much. Overall, I feel like durian fans would definitely love this. And if you're not a durian fan, malay nyo ma-convert kayo nito. We also got some sourdough cookies from Maron Bakery. And flavors were pretty solid, not too sweet. So basically, if you like cookies na more on the crumbly side rather than the moist side, then this is definitely for you since sourdough nga siya. Though out of the 5 flavors, yung chocolate chip pa rin yung pinaka-favorite ko. Overall, grabe si Maron Bakery pagdating sa creme brulee cake. And don't knock it until you try it, best. It's so good. Enjoy!